Welcome, in front of me I have Apple Watch Series 11 and I'm gonna show you how to change the strap on this watch. So to change the strap on this watch, first you need to remove the old one, and to do it you need to grab your Apple Watch, flip it around, and on the back of the watch you will see that you have two buttons on each side of the watch. And basically to release the strap, on one side you need to press this button and then slide it out, like that, to the side. Same for the other side, like this. And here we have our strap with both ends and our watch without the straps. And once you get the new strap and you want to put it on, it's quite simple. You grab the watch, you grab the strap, you take this side of the strap, the one with the gray, I would say, or metallic part needs to face the back of the watch. So you basically slide it in like this. When it's clicked, you should hear the click basically, and once you hear it, means that the strap is locked in and it will hold. Same for the other side. So basically you just slide it in like this, and now it holds, and that's how you change the strap on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.